Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Facebook page to business page. So first step, you need to open Facebook, and once you open Facebook, you simply need to click here and switch to your account. So here you can see that I am switched to my Facebook page, and now I want to make it a business page. So you simply need to come here and click on about, and here in about you need to add the category of your business, your contact info, your service area, your phone number, your email, your website, your basic info. You can add reviews, your price range, your language, and all the necessary details. And after that, your page will be look professional and is ready for a business. So this is a process that you need to follow to change Facebook page to business page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.